Hello viewers, in this video we are comparing Realme C71 versus Realme C73. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphones. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, bake material, frame, waterproof, display brightness, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, first smartphone main camera, second smartphone main camera video, sound, loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, smartphones price, final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.